Hello everyone. We today discuss remaining part of basic concepts in reaction mechanism, that is reactive intermediates. Reactive intermediates. This is a very important part of reaction mechanism or organic chemistry. See here first, what are intermediates? What are intermediates? If we consider any chemical reaction, then what happen in chemical reaction? Reactants are converted into products. Reactants are converted into products. But that process not takes place directly. In some changes takes place in reactants, and then that reactant is converted into product. That is, some bonds breaks and some new bonds are formed during that reaction process. That is, actual in reaction, some old bonds breaks and some new bonds are formed. That is, in chemical reaction, reactants first converted into transition state, and the transition state species then converted into product. Remember that reactants not directly converted into product. Reactants first react to form one unstable species. Formation of that unstable species takes place in the transition state, during the transition state. That species, unstable species with very high potential energy and short lived, that immediately converted into product. And that short lived species generated during the chemical reaction, during the transition state, which is immediately converted into product, that species is known as intermediate. And here we discuss some species which are commonly generated during the course of many chemical reactions. That commonly generated unstable species during the transition states are here given. That are four species: carbocation, that is carbonium ion, carbanion ion, free radicals. These are the commonly generated unstable species during many reactions at the transition states. Therefore, these species are known as reactive intermediates. We discuss that one by one. First, we discuss carbocation, which is also known as carbonium ion. See here spelling CARBOCAT ion, carbocation, or carbonium, CARBONIUM, carbonium ion. This carbocation or carbonium ion is a trivalent carbon having positive charge. Trivalent means valency 3, carbon bearing positive charge. This is simple definition of carbonium ion or carbocation. Always remember this. What is carbonium ion? Carbonium ion is trivalent carbon containing positive charge. Trivalent carbon bearing positive charge is known as carbonium ion or carbocation. Then because of positive charge, hybridization of carbon is because of trivalency, because of trivalency of carbon, that hybridization of carbon is sp2. Remember that in carbonium ion, hybridization of carbon is sp2, and therefore in carbonium that one is trivalent, valency 3, and since that one is sp2, what is shape of carbonium? Very good, that one is shape of sp2. Regular shape of sp2 is triangular planar shape. This one is a structure of carbocation. Bond angle of sp2 120. Remember these 3-4 points. Definition first, that is carbocation is a trivalent carbon bearing positive charge. This one is first point. Second point, in carbonium ion, carbon is trivalent and sp2 hybridized. This one is second point. Third point, shape of that carbonium ion is shape of sp2 hybridized, triangular planar shape. Fourth point, bond angle RCR bond angle in carbocation or carbonium ion is 120 degree. This one is about structure of carbocation. Then we discuss here stability of carbonium ion. Actually, we know that carbonium ion is an unstable species, very short-lived, generated during transition state. That one is actually short-lived. But then also, stability of that carbocation, stability of that intermediate depends on following effects. First is inductive effect. See here, in carbonium ion, that carbon is positively charged. Carbon is positively charged. Means there is deficiency of electrons. Why deficiency of electrons? Because carbon is trivalent. Means that outermost shell of carbon possess how many electrons? 3 bond pairs means 6 electrons in outermost shell. And we know that every atom try to complete their shell, try to complete their octet, but here only sextet. That atom want to complete their octet, means there deficiency of 2 electrons. Therefore, that carbon in carbonium is electron deficient. That one is electron deficient. And when that one is stabilized, if donating groups are adjacent to that deficient carbon, then that will be stabilized. That means that one is stabilized by donating inductive effect, that is plus I effect, groups having plus I effect and groups having plus R effect. That is donating inductive effects, group having donating inductive effect and groups having donating resonance effect can be stabilized to that deficient carbon by donating electrons. That is, here we know that alkyl groups are electron donating, and therefore because of donating effect, that carbon deficiency of carbon is minimized and thereby stabilizes to that carbon. Here therefore tertiary carbocation is stable than that of secondary, and secondary is stable than that of primary. This one is stability order, because in tertiary 3 donors are there, in secondary 2 donors, in primary only 1 donor. Remember that carbon must be positive. This one is mistake in this book, that carbon must carries positive charge. Write that positive charge on that carbon here. That one is not shown here, therefore that one is mistake, remember. Then next factor, hyperconjugation. Similarly here, that alkyl groups are electron donating because of hyperconjugation effect. That is, more the C alpha H, more the number of C alpha hydrogens, that is C alpha H sigma bonds, more are the hyperconjugative structures, and therefore more is the stability of that carbocation. For this, tertiary butyl carbocation carries total 10 hyperconjugative structures. Remember that 9, because of that 9 hydrogens and 1 is charge on that carbon, that total 10 structures. Here total 7 structures, here total 7 structures secondary, and here total 4 structures. More the structures, more is the stability. Therefore tertiary is more stable than secondary is more stable than primary. Then resonance, that donating resonance effect plus R effect. If groups having plus R effect are present adjacent to carbocation, then that can stabilizes to that carbocation. See here, for example, this is benzyl carbocation stability. That one is donating R effect, donating resonance effect stabilizes to that. More are the resonance structures, more is the stability. By that way, that one is plus R effect also responsible for that stability. Then thus here, remember these factors. Which factors responsible for stability of that carbocation, carbonium ion? First is inductive effect, that is plus I effect. Groups having plus I effect stabilizes to carbocation. Then second, plus R effect. Groups having plus R effect, donating resonance effect can stabilizes to that carbocation. And next, hyperconjugation, more the number of C alpha hydrogens, then more number of hyperconjugative structures are possible, and more is the stability. Remember these 3 points for stability of that carbocation. Then resonance, next is in reactive species is Carbanion. Here spelling Carbanion, Carbanion. Carbanion, Carbanion. What is definition? Carbanion is trivalent carbon bearing negative charge. Trivalent carbon bearing negative charge. Remember that. That 4-5 points, those which are we discussed for carbocation, same points here also we discuss. First, the definition. What is definition of Carbanion? Definition of Carbanion is nothing but trivalent carbon carrying negative charge. Since that one is negatively charged, that one is electron rich species. Remember that. Negative charge is nothing but Electrons are negatively charged. Means why carbon is negative? Because of extra electrons on that carbon. Extra electrons. Means that one is electron rich species. Carbonium is electron deficient. Remember that carbocation is electron deficient carbon, but carbanium is electron rich. What is definition then? Carbanium is trivalent carbon bearing negative charge. Second point, carbanium is electron rich species. Electron rich species. Third point, hybridization of carbon in carbanium is sp3. sp3. See here, carbon is trivalent. Then also why it is sp3? Because that negative charge means 2 electrons, and that electrons are exist in a orbital, one lone pair. That negative charge is present in one of the hybrid orbital, and therefore hybridization of carbanium is sp3. Hybridization of carbon in carbanium is sp3. Then what is shape of sp3? Shape of sp3 is actually regular tetrahedral, but remember that because of presence of that lone pair, because of that negatively charged electron pair, that not tetrahedral is there, but shape is distorted shape, that is shape become pyramidal. Shape is pyramidal, not tetrahedral, that one is pyramidal shape. And in bond angle is bond angle sp3 bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes, but that slightly less because of that repulsive force, that bond angle is actually, but here given here 109 degree 28 minutes. They here mentioned 0.5, but remember 28 degree. These are important point. This one is structure diagram for showing structure, that is pyramidal structure, shape, hybridization, bond angle, and these points are important, and definition. 4 points are important. Then stability of carbanium. Remember that carbanium is electron rich species. Carbanium is electron rich species. Then electron density on that carbon atom is very high. And how that one is stabilized? That one is stabilized by the groups which helps for minimize that electron density of that carbon. Groups which helps to that carbon so as to minimize that electron density present on that carbon. Because of that negative charge, that carbon is unstable, and if adjacent groups can withdraw that electron density towards themselves and try to minimize that electron density of that carbon, they can be stabilized to that carbocation. Then which groups can help for minimize the electron density? That is groups having withdrawing inductive effect. Withdrawing inductive effect means minus I effects. If adjacent groups of that carbanium having minus I effect, means electron withdrawing inductive effect, electron pulling inductive effect, that type of groups are present at the adjacent of carbanium, that carbanium can be stabilized. Then resonance, withdrawing, electron pulling, electron withdrawing, not donating, electron withdrawing in resonance effect. If that adjacent groups can show that minus R effect, that is withdrawing inductive effect, withdrawing resonance effect, minus R effect, withdrawing resonance effect is if possible, then that groups can minimize that electron density of that carbon by withdrawing towards itself, by withdrawing towards that electron density. They can withdraw here. This phenyl group shows plus R and minus R also. Here minus R, that electron pair of that CH2, that phenyl ring withdraw that, pulls towards itself, and thereby minimize that electron density on that carbon, and thereby stabilizes to that carbanion. Thus here two groups are there, two effects are there which can help for stability of that carbanion. Minus I, that is withdrawing inductive effect, and another is minus R, that is withdrawing resonance effect. That type of groups if present adjacent to that carbanion, then that can be stabilized. Remember that. Then these are the difference between that carbocation and carbonium. You read carefully. Then next is free radical. Next intermediate species is free radical, carbon radical. Remember that. We discuss after some time. Thank you.